Let's set up a professional business email. Having a professional email that matches your domain, like info@oakembercoffee.com, will help your business look more credible and makes communication with your customers easier. To set this up, let's click on the X in the top right, then go to the top left and click on Website Builder, and click on Hostinger Dashboard. From here, click on Emails, and under Claim Your Free Email, go down and click on Start Free. For the domain, make sure it's the same one that you want to use. In my case, it's oakembercoffee.com. From here, I'll click on Confirm. Click on Start Free Trial. For the email name, I'll enter info, and that will be info@oakembercoffee.com. Go ahead and enter a password, and click on Create. Then you can choose if you want to log in and use your email with a browser or one of Hostinger's recommended apps. This choice is totally up to you. And if you want to create additional emails, just click on Create Another Mailbox.